All right, I asked you to send me the biggest snowman you have, and we've got a couple of contenders here. This is Kason in Olive Branch. Look at that, taller than that guy, the snowman he built. We've got another one also from Olive Branch. This is the Griffith family. A pretty tall snowman there too. John, they've got you beat here. Hate to say it, but I don't know which one's bigger between the two. But regardless, some pretty good snow down in Olive Branch. Definitely enough of the fluffy stuff to put together some pretty tall snowmen. I think they're going to be melting away here pretty soon though. Clouds and radar showing us that big storm system off to the east. Now a mess of winter weather east of Nashville into East Tennessee. Rain, snow, sleet, freezing rain, you name it, all the way up the eastern seaboard. But again, we are clearing out now. Even some sunshine and clearing skies overnight tonight. Take a look at some of these official snowfall totals. Again, Moscow, Tennessee, the big winner, 5 inches of snow. Byhalia down in Marshall County, about 4 inches. 3.5 in Walnut, 3 inches in Munford, and oddly enough, Covington, just a few miles up the road, didn't get hardly anything. Memphis, about an inch, but the farther east you go in the city, the more snow you get. Here at the station in northeast Memphis, we got about 2 inches. So it just depends on where you are, but everybody in the metro getting a good coating of snow. Again, the heaviest of the snow east of Memphis, that's where we saw that band of about 4 inches, anywhere from Collierville all the way up to Savannah and Pickwick. Very narrow band though, as we were expecting. Everybody else around an inch, if not less than an inch, if you go into eastern Arkansas. Now this is just an estimate, so if you see something on the map that doesn't look quite right, text us your reports, 901-321-7520. We will try to make that map as accurate as we can from this morning's snowfall totals. Temperatures for everybody now above freezing. 39 Memphis, 34 in Holly Springs, 37 Tunica, 38 in Dyersburg. We are going to go back below freezing tonight. So low is going to be in the upper 20s to low 30s. That means anything that is still on the road that didn't get a chance to evaporate could possibly refreeze into a little bit of black ice. I think the biggest concern for that is east of Memphis in those areas that saw 3 or 4 inches of snow. Not to say in Memphis we won't see a slick spot or two, but I don't think it's going to be as big of a concern for us here in the metro because a lot of it is gone now. Now, what exactly is black ice? Basically, it's just a very thin layer of transparent ice that's really hard to see until you've hit it. That's why it's so dangerous. You can't avoid it until you're right on top of it. And the reason it forms is because the snow falls during the day and then the sun pops out like it did today. It melts it into water, and then as soon as it gets cold at night, it refreezes into that thin layer of ice. So that's what we're going to be looking out for early in the morning, again, especially east of Memphis. But sunshine tomorrow afternoon, highs in the 40s, should be a pretty nice day after that chilly morning. 50s Tuesday and Wednesday, slight chance of rain for us on Wednesday. Maybe even a snowflake or two Wednesday evening. I'm not too concerned about that, but look at that big cool down. Back to the 30s and 40s for the end of the week and the weekend.